Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this Dominican, that is not Dominican, this is a Russian salad that is part of the Dominican culture. The Russian brought it to the Dominican Republic, and this is part of our culture now. If you learn something about the Dominican history, you know that we are a mixed culture. And if you learn something about the culinary art of Dominican Republic, you also know that we have a mixture of European, Russian, Asian, and Middle Eastern. It's just a mix. That's why our dish all look different, and they very unique. This salad is also made in Haiti. It also makes this salad as well, and it's nothing but potato salad with beets, and we call it ensalada rusa because it came from Russia. It's that simple. So let me show you a very simple way. There's different way that you can make this salad, but today I'm going to show you the most simple way with very simple ingredient and very simple step. There is more ingredient that you could add to this salad, but today we're going to teach you the basic. So I will have other recipe to show you how to make it other way, but today I'm going to show you the simple way. And to make our salad, I have 3 potatoes, 1 carrot, 4 eggs, 1 beet, and I have red pepper, green pepper, and purple onions with some salt and pepper, and black pepper, 2 spoons of mayonnaise. I also have some raisin in here that I'm going to be adding. This is optional, but you could also make it with some apples. I wish teach you the other way that we make it today. I'm teaching you just the simple way to do it in with one of those tricks. You might find that you found it somewhere else with more ingredient, but soon I'm gonna have those recipes. I just want to show you the basic before I could take you higher. The vinegar will bring the flavor out. I have vinegar and extra virgin olive oil with salt and the black pepper. I have this here already for 20 minutes, and what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to put it on the bowl. And when you put this first, I suggest you to put these ingredients, the red pepper, the green pepper, and the onions with the vinegar and the olive oil, salt, and the black pepper before you start boiling your veggie. So while your veggie are boiling, this could be fermenting there, and it will give your salad a delicious taste and flavor. And while I peel the eggs, I'm going to put this vinaigrette in here, and I'm going to add the raisins so the vinegar can kind of hydrate the raisin. And you don't have to add a lot of raisin. All you have to do is take 1/5 of raisin, and it's dry raisin, so when you put it on the vinegar, you kind of hydrate your raisin and bring out that sweet, nice flavor. So now that I already peeled chopped my eggs, I'm going to add the potato and the carrots. I'm going to mix it up. And now I added the egg, and let's mix it. And now we're going to add the start of the night, the beets. add the mayonnaise. What we're going to do is that we're going to mix very good. If you want more mayonnaise, if you like more mayonnaise, by all means you could add more. It's according to your taste. Me, I personally like it just like this. Thank you for staying into the end. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed making it. I also hope you have enjoyed something from the Dominican culture, that it's just a mix of different culture. God bless, and I see you in the next video.